Sacred Feminine Mystery School is building a global community of empowered women. Women who bring safety, sacredness, and integrity to healing and releasing personal, lineage, and cultural sexual wounding. As we do this work together, we are embodying and advocating a new generation of feminine power and pleasure.
I think that women need to be educated, I know I did, about the potential and the right of women to be fully alive. And the reason why that's so important for us is because it gives us confidence, empowerment, and the ability to speak our needs.
It's time for us to wake up to who we really are and to do that in our bodies, to embody the divine, activate our entire being. And I don't know of any other work that opens women up as deeply as this.
Amrita and Caroline have really found a way to gently and profoundly open up every cell of a woman's body. So any places where we have held ourselves back sort of melt away.
I found the key to my own healing, and I have been set free.
Sacred Sexual Awakening and Healing was created by women for women. It's a deep dive into the feminine, a potent space of presence and stillness. When we learn how to become clear, empty vessels, the divine flows through us effortlessly. There is absolutely nothing to do, no techniques or methods. It's about being, allowing, and breathing. And that potent space contains everything.
Sexual energy is a vehicle for love. To integrate the heart, the power, and the passion back into alignment is what will allow us to fully rise into our wholeness, our fullness in everything we do.
I think what's really unique about this work is that it addresses all of the chakras, all of the energy centers of the body, and considers all of them sacred. So many modalities and workshops these days work with the upper chakras from the heart on up and really don't dare to go into the first and second chakras, which is really where so much wounding is held. We have a fully clothed version of this sexual awakening and healing work, which brings very conscious, loving touch with permission to the lower chakras.
Woman by woman opens and awakens and really reclaims her voice, reclaims her heart, and is able to just stand in her divine self.
I think I can say I have discovered who I really am, allowing myself to shine. It's been life-changing.
It's really about loving myself, accepting my sexuality, being free in my body. It's about healing.
It has helped me step into my power. It has helped me say, yes, I'm a big, strong, powerful woman.
You're with sisters that see the goddess in you, they see the best in you. They're so tenderly loving you, they hold space for you, and that to me is pure magic.
Caroline and Amrita were just amazing. They made such a safe container for all of us. They just slowly brought us closer into our sisterhood and into the sacredness and the holiness of our bodies.
I really don't think I've ever been in the company of people that could hold such safe space.
The goddess herself, they emanate that. So their presence transmits to us what we can be.
Every woman in the world needs to go through this. It is so empowering, it is so healing, it is so awakening, it is such a beautiful experience.
I want people to know that there's a beginning and a middle and then a celebration of liberation. And the beginning is scary. Just taking that first step of a woman saying, I want this for myself.
If you come to a workshop, a group, you can get into a safe container where you don't have to walk through this alone. We all share each other's pain, and we all share each other's healing.